Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're looking tonight at AMC stock, which is finally up. We're up by 1.8% today. Over the course of this short video, I'm going to be giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions on all of the levels that I am looking for. If it sounds good, please do make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. At the same time, do remember, I am not a financial advisor and you should be doing your own research. Now, coming into the video and looking straight away at a few things. Well, of course, we saw AMC stock yesterday drop into the 270s, right? Or levels around there. That was initially concerning. As I say, when we look back on the charts, we have to go all the way back here to early September to see a point where we have seen this. More traditionally, we have seen the stock sit around the 280, 283 range at the low end and then fluctuate up to the $3 point. Because of this, I do become a bit more concerned. And again, we are touching the 280 range right now. I am worried that that could be a new level of potential resistance. Now, of course, I could be wrong, and we could blast straight through it. If we do, we're looking at resistance levels potentially around 281. You are looking for resistance levels potentially around 284, and then potentially around 286, 290 potentially, and also 288 for pushes again up to $3 and retesting that range. For the short term though, I do become a little bit concerned. Now again, if we're able to break this early into next week or even in the post market of today, to be honest, right, things could be very, very interesting, right? I don't see any major moves coming with AMC. I think really we could, of course, come back up to this $3 range, which could be an interesting trade depending on your opinions. But again, right now I'm just cautious. I'm watching this to the low side, right? Do bear in mind now today, RSI is still quite low, but it is rising ever so slightly, especially towards the end of day as this price rise does continue. So watch the 280 range. Again, we could break this very easily, in which case we could be on to 285, 290, and ultimately $3. But again, this could be a level of new difficulty. Again, I'm more than happy to watch this one either way. It depends what your risk tolerance is, guys, of course. Be cautious either way. Again, could be an easy bounce up to $3, but we could also see this rejection in the next couple of ranges, the next couple of resistance levels, and that could take us back down to this 270 level. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this in the comments, guys. Thank you for your time, and goodbye for now.